Welcome to the CrunchLabs kitchen. Today we are making mango molecular spaghetti and honey popping boba to decorate our fat Gus. First we're gonna make the honey popping boba, which you make by mixing honey, distilled water, and sodium alginate. Now, we let it sit to lose its bubbles. Our laminar flow build box creates an awesome calcium lactate bath. Let's borrow this from our rocket revolver to drop her in our sodium alginate and honey solution. You can see the boba dancing around in the calcium lactate bath. How cool is that? This is my biggest boba I've made. The tiny bobas are so cute. I'm gonna try this one. It's so good! Now for molecular spaghetti! We mix water and agar-agar using the drawing machine. Add mango juice and bring to a boil using induction. And we're gonna let it cool. It's finally cool enough for it to mold. So all I have to do is unhook Fat Gus, then I just have to score. We suck up our solution using our Squirrel Showdown syringes. Our buzzer beater build box brings our batch up to cool. While the letters in Fat Gus cook, we can see how our molecular spaghetti are doing. Now I'm gonna do the ring. I can't wait to eat him. Mango molecular spaghetti is the best. I ate all of the boba, so